Hindi measurable ang output. Yung mga empleyado mo, they look busy all day. They attend meetings, they answer messages, they send updates. Pero at the end of the week, nag-improve ba ang sales? Ang mga customer concerns, na-resolve ba? At yung mga orders, napadala ba ng mabuti? Kasi kahit na busy sila, pero alam ba nila kung ano yung useful result na na-produce nila? Yun ang tanong. Okay? Kasi activity, hindi yan kapareho ng accomplishment. No? Gawa ka ng bagay-bagay pero na-accomplish mo ba? Kaya sa bawat role, sabi natin kanina, importante na bawat tao ay clear yung kanilang role. Pero ang issue ay clear ba din yung kanilang outputs? Ano yung dapat na ilabas nila? Ano yung ending ng kanilang trabaho? Here are some examples. Dapat yung sales department alam nila kung ilan yung kanilang sales na nakompleto. Yung customer service department alam nila kung ilan yung mga na-resolve nilang concerns. Yung mga in charge sa dispatching and delivery alam nila kung ilan, no? Nabibilang nila kung ilang orders ang kanilang nagawa. Lahat tayo alam natin kung ilang errors yung nabawasan this time. At kung meron namang mga nag-i-inquire, yung mga qualified inquiries na gawa pa, nagawa ba, nakausap ba, na-address ba. People can never improve when success is not clear. Kailangan alam nila ano ba ang itsura ng success. So, when all the outputs are measurable, then this is what happens. Magkakaroon tayo ng fairer performance evaluation dahil alam ng lahat ano yung good performance. Mas madali tayong makapagbigay ng feedback, mas madali tayong makapag-recognize kung sino ba talaga ang good performers. And mas madali tayo, mga owners at mga managers, na gumawa ng coaching at hiring decisions. So, tandaan natin, anak, busy is just a feeling. Ang mas importante is yung output. Hindi lang busy. Hindi lang busy-busyhan. Ano ba talaga ang output? Because output is something that you can see and measure. Still doing everything yourself because you just can't trust anybody else to get it right? Anak, ang problema hindi yung team mo. It's that no one ever showed you how to grow them. Grow Your People Pinoy is a book that gives you a simple step-by-step framework for hiring, training, and leading a team that actually works without the burnout, the drama, or the endless, sige na, ako na lang. Because your business will only grow as much as your people do. Kaya get your copy now, anak. The link is in the comment section.